Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best off-road winches reviewed and rated, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Superwinch 1,135,220 Terra 35 single-line pull. This 1,591 kg off-road winch features a highly efficient low-amp draw. The sealed 1.6 horsepower permanent magnet motor has mechanical load holding for a superior package. It has 50 feet of steel wire rope. Also works with the free spooling clutch. This model utilizes machined-in bronze and oil pocket bearings for maximum durability. The circuit breaker is protected from weather-sealed. This model included a heavy-duty latched hook with a thimble. It is not one of the inexpensive models on the market, so you know that you are making a good investment, no matter which one you choose. Moving on at number 4, we have the X20 Comp Smittybilt waterproof winch. The Smittybilt X20 is one of the most compact and powerful road winches in this review. This model has one of the best electric road winches on the market for its excellent size-to-performance ratio. You can choose this winch in different sizes and styles. It comes with a powerful motor of 6.6 HP and with a full capacity of 17,500 pounds. It is also fully waterproof and also ideal winch for heavy duty in a wide range of ATV applications. It can safely be installed on your truck outside and not corrode. However, make sure that it is compatible with your Jeep. Because of its small size, this isn't ideal for every Jeep out there. At number 3, we have the portable MasterLock winch. If you're looking for a waterproof portable electric winch, then MasterLock offers a 12-volt DC off-road winch with 2,000 pounds pulling capacity. This winch comes with a remote control system and has a galvanized steel cable with a safety hook. Also included a 20-foot power cable and a hand crank. This winch can be used with trailers, cars, even boats, and trucks. It has a built-in carrying cable. Along with the 2953 AT model has a 6,000 lb rolling capacity and marine capacity 5,000 lb with 18 feet maximum boat size. It offers a bit of a short power cord. Most of the people are satisfied with its performance, especially given its reasonable price, but it operates a little bit slowly and is noisy. This winch is ideal for a light-duty unit that is portable. At number 2, we have the Hilift, ORC, off-road kit. Hilift made this off-road kit with the highest quality stamped steel and also included an anti-corrosion zinc coating. It has a simple gear and lever system, which allows the users to winch up vehicles no matter the plat. The jack is a reliable 2-piece handle. A socket system is a great option and also includes its features. Hilift is always safety conscious. This model comes up with a 3/8 inch bolt and nut. Nylon tree strap 2-inch and 3/8 inch G40 chain are also included. Inbuilt weight limit helps to overcome injury and misuse. This off-road kit is too heavy. Additionally, this kit is powerful, operates smoothly, and also easy to use. And finally at number 1, we have the Warn VR Evo 8 electric winch. The Warn VR Evo 8 is done standard duty with a steel cable and has an 8,000 lb. It was pulling capacity. It is ideal for lighter SUVs and two-door Jeeps to do everyday pulls and get yourself out of any trouble. The high performance gives maximum reliability. It also comes with a control pack that can be transferred for low-profile installations. This winch is easy to use and versatility for its 2-in-1 remote with wireless and wired options. An IP68 rated waterproof construction keeps it durable. A planetary gear and a powerful series wound motor deliver faster line speed with the lower amp. These winches are designed, engineered, and examined in the USA. The Great Lookup winch is available at a price that does not pull out of your budget. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.